Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Realme 5S and the Honor 8X. And Honor 8X comes with a Huawei Kirin 710 chipset with 4 GB of RAM, while the Realme 5S comes with a Snapdragon 665 chipset with 4 GB of RAM. And we have a quad cameras on the back on the Realme F5S versus a dual cameras on the Honor 8X. So let's see how much is difference between the Realme 5S and the Honor 8X when it comes of boot up speed as well as a app opening speed. So let's get right into it. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first on the Realme 5S followed by the Honor 8X. And both phones is running on Android 9 Pie. We have a notch, big notch on the Honor 8X versus the water top notch on the Realme 5S. So let's see who is going to be the fastest one, and you can see that was exactly the same on both phones, about the same, and both phones comes with a LCD display, not Super AMOLED. So let's see the app's opening speed. Like always, everything is closed up in the background and you can see same Wi-Fi network on both phones. So first application I'm gonna open is the phone dialer. Here we go, and that is faster on the Honor 8X followed by the Realme 5S. So opening up settings, and that was exactly the same on both phones. Let's open up my clock, and that is little bit faster again on the Honor 8X followed by the Realme 5S. So let's open up the calendar application on both phones. Here we go, and that is super duper quick on the Honor 8X. We have a little bit delay on the Realme 5S. Let's open up the my files on both phones, and that is little bit faster on the Realme 5S followed by the Honor 8X. So let's launch some games application and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. Here we go. The first game is the Candy Crush Saga, and you can see that was exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. So next on the list is the Subway Surfer, and Realme 5S is a little bit faster there, followed by the Honor 8X. Honor 8X is a little bit right behind, about half a second difference there, but I have to say no difference there overall. So last game application we have is the Temper Run 2, and you can see that was exactly the same on both phones, about the same speed in this application. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and that is faster on the Realme 5S followed by the Honor 8X. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on both phones. It also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. So first website I'm gonna launching is the wikipedia.org, and you can see about the same on both phones. Scrolling is very smooth on both phones, same thing with zooming in and out, no lag whatsoever. Next on the list is the apple.com, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And Honor 8X is faster there, while the Realme 5S is still taking some time. And now it is also done, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there. So let's see the scrolling, and you can see face very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Same thing with zooming in and out on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones. We have 4 GB RAM on both phones. So phone dialer, that got refresh on the Honor 8X, and also we have latest software version on both phones. Settings, now refresh. Let's see my clock, and that got refresh again on the Honor 8X, while the Realme 5S is performed really good in the RAM management. Let's see calendar, that is also refresh again on the Honor 8X. Let's see my files, refresh again on the Honor 8X. Let's move on with some games application. We have Candy Crush Saga that got also refreshed on the Honor 8X. Let's see the Subway Surfer, and that is also again refreshed on the Honor 8X. Last game application is the Temple Run 2, that is not refreshed on the Honor 8X. Very shocking result. And last we are back to the internet browser, and you can see, and overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is little bit faster on the Realme 5S. Overall that was about the same on both phones, no difference there in app opening speed. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the Realme 5S, but many application refresh on the Honor 8X. I hope the RAM management will improve with some software updates on the Honor 8X. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Realme 5S and the Honor 8X. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.